We are here to talk about the Prada Crystal Re-Edition. We're talking about the unboxing. We're talking about how I saved $350 by getting it. And of course, we are talking about first impressions. Hi guys, my name is Celesta. If you guys are new here, we talk about all things luxury shopping and handbags. If you love those things, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification. I do post videos every week. So I know this is a very long awaited video. I kept saying that I was gonna do it, and so here we are finally doing it. We are gonna show the unboxing first, and then of course we're gonna talk about how I ended up saving $350 by getting it, and then of course first impressions. Without further ado, let's get into it.
What's up guys, here with a Prada unboxing today. Wow, look at the nice blue box. Here, we're gonna unwrap the thing and see what's inside, and oh, it's a note from Prada, I guess. Ooh, such a big influencer now. I wonder what the bag is. And it's, ooh, so shiny, diamonds everywhere.
So let's talk about how I got this gorgeous, gorgeous bag. So I actually went to New York in September and I met up with Sabrina, who has this bag. And I was telling her that I do really want the bag. However, I didn't want to wait 3 to 6 months here because there is a wait list for the bag. She was able to connect me with her sales associate at the Harrods in London. In London, there is absolutely no wait for this bag. I'm able to text the sales associate. He's able to get it for me and ship it out. The whole process took about a week. He was able to ship the bag and then it came to my door. So it definitely beats having a 3 to 6 month wait list, and that was definitely something that I was really hesitant about because I didn't want to wait 3 to 6 months. Let's talk about the pricing. So currently the bag retails for $18.50 before tax here in the US. So me being in the Bay Area, it's about a 10% sales tax. So I end up paying around $2,035. In the UK, in London, this bag is 1,100 pounds, which is around $1,500 that was charged on my credit card. Be aware that there are international fees. So I did use my credit card that doesn't have international fees. Something that I really appreciate with the Harrods sales associate was that he was actually able to deduct the VAT refund from the purchase right then and there before he even shipped it out. However, do keep in mind that when the bag does arrive, you will most likely be charged with like duties and import duties. So DHL will then send you an email and say, hey, you owe X amount of dollars. So out the door, I ended up paying just over $1,600, saving $350 by buying this bag through Harrods. And of course, there's no wait. I would 100% shop with these sales associates at Harrods again. I really enjoyed my experience there. They were very quick to respond. I received the bag so quickly. I didn't have any issues paying like the duties, everything like that. I definitely recommend going that route, especially if you want to save a little bit of money and you don't want to wait 3 to 6 months. Okay, let's get into first impressions. I haven't really given like a review or first impressions of this bag, even on TikTok or anything like that. I absolutely love it. I think this bag is stunning. I don't feel like it's doing it justice on the screen right now. It is absolutely stunning, especially in kind of like a low light situation with the light like reflecting on it. Absolutely stunning. She glitters. I was definitely hesitant to get this bag at first because I was like, where the heck am I wearing this bag to? This is a sparkly crystal bag. I don't go out. I don't really go to like clubs or bars, especially right now. I like am definitely a homebody. So I was like, I'm not really sure where I'd wear this to. However, this was perfect as a holiday Christmas party kind of bag. Not that I went to any Christmas parties, but it was nice to know that I had a bag ready for going to Christmas parties. And then also just like dinner with friends, date night, things like that. I felt like this bag was absolutely perfect. This bag can definitely be dressed up or dressed down. I feel like you can wear this with like a leather jacket and just like a midi dress, and it's perfect. I will be making a full like styling video, and then of course what fits in the bag as well. So keep an eye out for that video. So let's talk about the durability. So this bag is actually satin. I think a lot of people think that it's nylon because the regular one is nylon, but it's actually satin. And then of course it's covered in crystals. So I don't really baby my bags. Like I'm not gonna throw the bag, but I'm also not gonna be super careful and gentle with it. And I actually talked to the sales associate at my local Prada, and they said that the crystals are actually hot stamped and glued and sewn on. They like attach it several different ways, which then makes it very, very durable. Like the crystals are not supposed to fall off. The sales associate did say that if the crystals do fall off, you should bring it in and they're able to like fix it or replace it, something like that. That definitely gave me peace of mind when using this bag, because I wasn't about to baby this bag, given that it's covered in crystals. However, this wouldn't be a first impressions without talking about the cons, and we're gonna be real and honest with you guys. This bag is not all just glitz and glamour, because there are quite a few cons to this bag. One of the cons being the strap. Something that I really don't appreciate about this bag is that the strap is not adjustable, and given that it's a shoulder bag that you're wearing under your shoulder, right now this fits fine. However, if you're wearing like a thicker sweater or you're wearing a thicker jacket, you really can't wear it over your shoulder. You're gonna have to carry it as a top handle or on the crook of your arm. There are shoulder bags that they do make with a adjustable strap. Celine is one of them. I think YSL is also another one. And with the adjustable strap, you can adjust it. So if you're wearing a thicker sweater or a thicker jacket, you're able to still wear it on your shoulder under your arm like this, while still having the bag fit. Kind of in the same veins with the strap, I really would have appreciated if they made the strap in Saffiano leather. So this tag here is in leather, however this part is like fabric. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like it would have just given the bag a little bit more of a classier look had it been made in leather, and everything would just look cohesive, because this is the fabric part. It's kind of weird. It doesn't like, I feel like it doesn't match the bag very well. I don't know how else to explain it, but I feel like it would have been a little bit more cohesive and a little bit more dressy. My next con with this bag is that there's no interior pockets. So if you guys follow me on TikTok, you guys know that in every single one of my bags, I carry my boyfriend's lactate pills. Whenever we go to a place where they basically have dairy, so ice cream, Italian, pretty much everywhere, he's lactose intolerant and will then need to take a lactate pill. And they're always just floating around in my bag, because a lot of the other bags, they have interior pockets, like a little slip pocket lining that you can shove a few of those pills into. For this bag, there's no pockets whatsoever that so his pills are just like floating around in the bag, and that definitely bothers me, because if I'm like emptying out the bag or I'm trying to like take things out, it will fall out. So that is a con for me. The next thing is this bag kind of sags, and I think it's because of the satin material, given that it doesn't have a lot of structure to it. It looks a little bit more structured now since I do have like a pillow inside, but it does sag quite a bit, especially when you have heavier things in there. But I did order an organizer off of Etsy, which then should solve the interior pocket issue and then also the sag. So I'm hoping that with the organizer it can help keep its shape a little bit better, because with the wear and tear down the road, I definitely don't want it to get deformed and things like that. Honest to God, I don't know if this bag is gonna stay in my collection forever, but I think this is absolutely stunning. I will be using this quite a bit more once COVID dies down, and I'm really glad to be able to add something like this to my collection that is different than everything else that I already have. And I do feel like with designer handbags, once I get tired of it, once I no longer feel like I reach for it, then I can always just sell it and buy something else, you know? So that's not that big of a deal. I do really love this and I really enjoy it, and this has been a great purchase so far. That is it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this bag, because I definitely know that this bag is not everyone's taste. So I will be doing a styling and what fits in the bag, so keep an eye out for that video. I'll leave another video for you guys here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!